Hey everyone, I've been asked a lot whether a Kamado-style grill is worth the jump from a standard gas or charcoal setup, especially when you start seeing prices that look more like a small oven than a backyard grill. I get that hesitation spending a few $100s on a grill that promises a certain flavor profile, but could end up sitting half-used if it doesn't fit your cooking rhythm. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about what makes a Kamado different from the typical kettle grill you might already have. The core idea is a thick, insulated cooking chamber that holds heat like a furnace, which translates into two practical outcomes. You can keep a steady low temperature for a long smoke without constantly adjusting the vents, and you can crank the heat up quickly for searing or even baking. That's the promise behind the Broil King 420150 Keg Kamado, and it's the promise that most buyers are trying to verify before they click Add to Cart. When you unpack the Keg Kamado, the first impression is the solid feel of the cast aluminum firebox paired with a heavy-duty cast iron cooking grid. Those two metals work together in a way that's easy to notice after the first couple of cooking sessions. The cast aluminum body heats up faster than a pure ceramic Kamado, which means you're not waiting an extra 10 minutes just to get the fire going. Once the fire is lit, the cast iron grid distributes that heat evenly across the 635 square inches of cooking space. In my own kitchen experiments, I started a pork shoulder at 225°F, and after 2 hours the internal temperature was creeping up consistently without any hot spots. A regular charcoal kettle would have required me to shuffle coals and keep an eye on the thermometer every half hour. The Keg Kamado kept the temperature within a few degrees on its own. That stability is largely thanks to the ceramic diffuser cooking system. Think of the diffuser as a heat-spreading plate that sits between the fire and the food. It prevents direct flame from licking the meat, which reduces flare-ups and preserves moisture. I tried a whole chicken, breast side up, and the skin came out crisp while the meat stayed juicy all without rotating the bird. The diffuser also makes the Kamado surprisingly versatile. I've baked a thin-crust margherita pizza on the same grill, using the high heat mode, around 550°F. The stone-like ceramic surface gave the crust that blistered, leopard spot look you'd expect from a wood-fired oven, something a traditional grill simply can't replicate. Now, every piece of equipment has trade-offs, and the Keg Kamado is no exception. The biggest practical downside is weight. With the cast aluminum firebox, the cast iron grid, and the steel shell, the unit tips the scales at well over 100 pounds. Moving it from the garage to the patio takes a couple of people, and once it's settled you'll probably keep it in a fixed spot. If you live in a small apartment or you're a renter who can't commit to a permanent outdoor fixture, that heft becomes a real barrier. The other consideration is the learning curve. While the diffuser helps with temperature stability, you still need to understand how the top and bottom vents interact, especially when you try to swing from low and slow smoking to high heat searing in the same session. The first few attempts can feel a bit like trial and error, and you'll likely burn a few ribs before you nail the timing. Who should consider buying this grill? If you're the type of home cook who enjoys the ritual of slow-smoked brisket, pulled pork, or low and slow ribs, the Keg Kamado gives you a reliable platform to do that without constantly juggling coals. It also shines for folks who love to experiment. Think baked breads, desserts, or pizza. The generous cooking area means you can handle a 12-pound turkey and still have room for a side of veggies on the side shelves. Those shelves, made of resin, slide out easily and come with built-in tool hooks, so you can keep a basting brush, tongs, and a thermometer within arm's reach. The fact that the shelves are removable also means you can clear the space for a large pizza stone or a roasting pan without crowding the chamber. On the flip side, if your typical grill session is a quick weeknight burger or a few hot dogs on the grill, you might